good morning. Playing relaxing morning playlist. Enjoy.
See, I remember all the times you made me covered in crazy. I can't forget about the way you played me.
Let's start our
Like
day.
I was never gonna change your world. It ended long ago. So please just let me go.
I'm right here.
Car automatically integrates with social media, collects data from the apps and plays the song according to the mood. Alessia knows your calendar, gathers information, selects the locations and offers the nearest route to your desired destination.
You have important day today. Taking you to your exam via the West Road, there is less traffic and the weather is amazing today. The sunny ride in the woods will be good for you. Syncing your location from your calendar with the GPS system. Autopilot is on. We could play some upbeat music for the better experience. What do you think?
1, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone. 2, don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. 3, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count him.
Alessia is able to take over the control of the car and turn on Alessia Autopilot on your command, allowing you to enjoy the ride and dedicate your time to other activities.
Ciao, Alessia. Turn the lights off.